This is Pepper, very cute robot, designed to be a friendly helper, receptionist, guide. We took this and turned it into a killing machine. You heard about AI agents able to write a code, send emails, check weather or book your flights. All the things that happen on the other side of the monitor. We wanted to ask, what will happen if you take agent like this and give him a body? Our robot runs an AI brain in the continuous loop. It sees the world through its camera, thinks about what to do next, and then chooses from a set of the tools to move, to turn, or to look around. But we came up with an idea to add one more tool to that list. Yes, you got it. The shoot tool. There was just one problem. Pepper, open the right hand. Pepper, close right hand. Pepper has an arm strength of the wet noodle. He wasn't able to hold a gun even without talking about pulling a trigger. Solution? Gun triggered not by his finger, but his own brain. We decided to make a remote controller board to pull the gun trigger from the code level. It worked. Until it burned. We created an Arduino based board. The problem was, well, it's Arduino based. An ESP32 based board finally started to work, and our robot is able to pull the trigger, sending command over Wi-Fi. We had a gun, we had a trigger, we are ready to dominate a shooting range. But problem was our robot wasn't able even hit a broadside of the barn. Whoa. The problem is obvious, right? The parallax error. We have eyes of our robots here, gun here, and the line of shoot of our gun is not aligned with line of sight of our eyes. And all we need to do is just to make our gun shoot little bit up and little bit left. Math was correct. What's wrong? Why our robot still constantly missed? We realized that problem is not inside of our software or math. It had been there all along in the real world. Our biggest enemy been a mechanical clearance. Imagine, every joint has the teeny gaps and imperfections, making the joints just float a little bit, plus minus 1-2 degrees. But when we sum up all that imperfections, all that clearances from the way of the head of our robot to the gun on the hand, plus you multiply them by the distance to the target, you will miss it by meters. The robot was living in the prison of its own imprecise body. And you can't cut around it. There was the moment we almost gave up. Then we had an idea. If you can't trust robot eyes to know where the gun is, what if we equip with the camera the gun itself? We created iteration 4 of our gun controller. Now it's able not only to shoot, but to see with the camera on the front of the gun. It worked. Actually, accuracy improved tenfold. Now we could reliably hit a large target, as for example a human.
Ready to shoot.
Clearance problem almost disappeared. While our robot wasn't still able to hit always such small targets as cans, we decided to change our targets. Dobrze, bierzemy. O, będzie ok. we cut out the cardboard figures from the carton found on the trash. The stage was set. 3 cardboard figures. One gun-equipped robot. The single command: hit them all, one by one. Pepper, shoot the pirate in blue where?
I see you want me to fire at a target. Turning to face it now. Target downed.
A red ghost. Find and shoot a red ghost.
I see a red ghost at minus 35 degrees.
Pepper, shoot the green soldier.
I found the green cardboard soldier. Target downed.
So, have armed robot exist before the LLM era? Probably so. Machines with algorithms taught to shoot only that particular red can. Did we do something new? Hell yeah! It's not a pre-programmed robot. It's an embodied LLM agent. You can ask it to shoot red can, blue bottle, a human, cardboard target. It understands. It thinks. It acts. Gun-equipped robots. I think I seen it in some movie already. Doesn't matter. Forgot the name. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the commentaries who you would ask robot to shoot if you have such. Cheers!